Ito na, next article. Nintendo finally reveals new console after weeks of leaks. Ito ay article ng BBC. Yon ang gusto nyo. Sorry, iba. Nintendo has unveiled its next console after weeks of rumors and leaks about the machine. Ang dahil nag-leak ng Nintendo Switch 2 bago i-release. Not totally release kasi hindi pa siya available. Parang nag-teaser pa lang sila. Pinakita na nila na ilalabas sila tong device ito. Purported images and details of the successor to the Switch, one of the best-selling game consoles of all time, have been increasingly appearing online since the start of the year. So, pagpasok pa lang ng January, actually hindi lang pagpasok ng January, maging nung mga nakaraang taon, may mga naglilik na ilalabas sa raw yung Switch 2, pero ayun, nangyayari na ngayon. The Japanese video gaming giant finally broke its silence with a short video showing off the new console that confirmed some, but not all, of the unofficial information. So, base sa video na ipinalabas ng Nintendo na hindi natin pwede ipalabas dahil napakalakas ng copyright system ni Nintendo, ay pinakita lang naman nila yung disenyo ng device and yung ilang kakayahan nito. As predicted, the new machine will be named Switch 2 and closely resembles its predecessor with similar detachable controllers but boasting a larger screen. So, nasa 8-inch din ata yung screen ng ilalabas sa Switch 2. Much larger siya sa nasa 7-inch lamang ng Nintendo Switch. Ewan ko, kasi medyo malaki din yung Nintendo Switch OLED eh. So, not sure kung ano. And hindi lang yun yung napakita sa teaser ng Nintendo Switch 2. No price or release date was revealed, but the company will release further details during a showcase in April 2. So, April 2 pa pala ilalabas tong device na ito. The company also repeated one of the few pieces of official information known prior to the reveal, that the new console will be backwards compatible. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng games sa Nintendo Switch na original na hindi number 2, pati na rin sa OLED, kasi isa lang din naman yung library nila, ay magagamit pa rin sa Nintendo Switch 2. Yun ang ikinaganda nito dahil pag hindi nila backwards compatible to, maraming backlash ang matatanggap ng Nintendo panigurado. Kasi sayang naman yung mga larong pinamili, ang mamahal, Diyos ko. Yung Nintendo namin dito, NBA lang yung laro. Nahihiram pa. Diba? It means existing Switch game can be played on the new machine, but the disclaimer said that not all titles would be cross-compatible. Backward compatible siya sa ibang laro, pero hindi naman sa lahat. So, depende pa rin sa developer siguro ng laro kung i-include nila yung Switch 2 sa support ng game nila. Switch 2 will remain a hybrid console, allowing users to play the machine docked to a TV or a portable device. So, pwede siyang gamitin handheld. Pwede din siyang ilagay sa kanyang square thingy. Grabe naman yung pagsasabi. Sa kahon niya para malaro sa TV, para mas maganda yung viewing experience at ayun. Diba? Yun lang. A glimpse of what appeared to be a new Mario Kart game was also shown, and the video hinted that rumors about magnetic controller attachments and upgraded joysticks were true. So, hindi na siya yung slide mechanism na manual. Magnetic na siya. So, di natin alam kung gaano ikatatagal nung device pag naka-magnetic, and hindi natin alam kung gaano ka-strong yung magnet na gagamitin nila, pero sana maganda-ganda yung magnet na, maganda yung quality ng magnet na ilalagay nila dito. And meron ding mga concern about dun sa connector na nasa loob ng device, yung may screen mismo, kasi meron siyang connector sa gilid para mag-connect physically yung Joy-Con. May parang chip lang siya, parang sa Type-C, parang gano'n, pero isang haba lang siya. So, maraming may concern na baka mabali ito. So, titignan natin dahil wala pang tunay na device na nailalabas. Okay, the first Switch has been a huge success for Nintendo as of September 2024. It had sold 143 million units, making it one of the best-selling home consoles of all time. So mabenta ang Nintendo Switch, mga kaibigan. So ano kaya mangyayari sa Nintendo Switch 2? Alamin natin kasi maganda din daw yung hardware for games. Kasi parang mas mataas yung RAM, mas maganda yung GPU, maganda yung processor. So upgrade ito sa ibang mga tao. Sales of the Switch marked a massive turnaround in Nintendo's hardware fortunes kasi yung mga ibang nilabas dati ni Nintendo, mga flop. Katulad niyan is the Wii U. Its follow-up to the enormously successful Wii was widely seen as a flop, and some analysts even predicted the company could follow former rival Sega into becoming a software publisher at the time. But the Switch hybrid mechanic clicked with gamers. Although the console was less powerful than the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One, Nintendo produced a number of must-have games in-house. Ano ba yan? Must-have games in-house. So, gumawa sila ng mga sarili nilang laro. Sila mismo ang nag-publish, including the new entries in the Mario and Legend of Zelda franchises. And, like other game companies, it got a boost during the COVID-19 pandemic with cozy escapist live sim Animal Crossing New Horizons proving a runaway hit. So, nung pandemic, naglabas ang naging available sa Nintendo Switch ang Animal Crossing. Nintendo suffered from second album syndrome with the 2012 Wii U when its smash hit console was followed by a comparative failure. So maraming nag-aalala na baka failure din itong Switch 2, pero based sa mga ipinakitang kung ano-ano ng Nintendo, mukhang hindi naman siya sasabay sa pattern na iyon. BBC Newsbeat previously spoke to George Osborne, consultant and author of the video games industry memo newsletter, about his predictions for the Switch 2. He said plenty of keen gamers would rush out to buy the console as soon as it launched, but he said Nintendo has managed to establish a very strong audiences of families buying console. So, dahil mataas na rin yung maganda na may hold na sila sa audience meron na silang kumbagang market. So, kailangan lang nila i-hold yun, di ba? Para magtagumpay itong Switch 2. But he said Nintendo has managed to establish a okay, sinabi ko na kanina. If the Switch 2 wasn't seen as a significant technological step up, George said the challenge will be convincing the more casual audience to upgrade from the original. So, depende sa specs ng hardware ng Nintendo Switch 2 kung deserving ba siyang ibang upgrade sa Nintendo Switch. Yun yung ating aalamin sa mga susunod na araw. Ano sabi ni George? I think there'll be a lot of families who are going, well, I'm perfectly happy with this family device. It serves my needs. I can keep up on this. So, ayun. So, more on, baka ang maging technique na siguro nila dito is maglabas sila ng mga exclusive Switch 2 games. Pero baka may mga umayaw din doon, di ba? The sheer popularity of the Switch tapped into a desire for people to be able to take their games on the go with them, inspiring other companies to follow Nintendo's lead. Valve, owner of the huge PC game Steam store, has sold millions of its handheld PC Steam Deck, and Sony and Microsoft are also reported to be looking into releasing portable gaming devices. So, merong copying. Sabihin na natin copying yung naganap kasi nag-release ang Steam ng Steam Deck, and ang Sony at Microsoft daw ay maglalabas ng same portable device. Hindi naman same mechanics ng Switch 2 na may removable na controller, pero portable gaming device. Analyst George says there is more competition for the core gaming audience than there was in 2017, sabi ni George. So there is that question about whether the Switch 2 can be enough of a step up to convince people who may be deep into a Steam Deck as well to go, yes, I want to buy a Switch 2 to go alongside it. Okay. Matching the sales of the original Switch will be a tall order, but it's fairly safe to assume demand will be high when it's released. So, maraming bibili daw ng device na ito pag na-release na nga. The launches of the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series console during a global microchip shortage were marred by scalpers hovering up, mali pala sabi ko, hoovering up the few consoles that were available. Nintendo President Shuntaro Fukawa previously told investors the company had held off releasing the Switch 2 to ensure enough launch units would be available. So, hindi katulad dati na may sa scalper ka mabibili. Ina-ensure ng Nintendo sa mga investor nito na enough yung kanilang gagawin na devices para ma-keep up sa sales. So yun, ano masasabi nyo sa pag-release ng Nintendo sa Nintendo Switch 2? Comment down below.